Oh, in case you want to see the logic or ladder diagram, here's how it looks like. Start button, press start, turn on the start light on the push button, turn on the conveyor for the right side, then turn on the analog conveyor based on speed from 0 to 10 volts. So I'm giving it 7.6 volts on the left conveyor to make it faster. Here's my e-stop. This is my shift left register to make my arm push out. The vision is looking constantly for number 1 and number 4 to make this shift register to push out. Same thing, looking for number 2 and number 5 to make this other shift to push out. You can look at the number, it's different on binary format. Right here you can see 1 1s on the front. Here's you can see 1 1s almost in the middle, and this is in byte format, but I'm transferring it out as a word over here. Same thing, looking for 3 and 6. Shift register is different, but I'm still shifting one bit to the left. And here is my stop. If I stop, everything will reset. And here's a counter that I made, a function block for that. I made my own function for the counter. This is a user defined data, and if we go inside, you can see what I made. And here is just a little example of what I did. Boring stuff, but it works.